Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Dave Adams. In today's video, we're going to talk about HTML attributes and how they're used. Let's get right into it. HTML elements can all have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. They basically provide information on the various properties of HTML elements. There are a lot of attributes that are common to numerous HTML elements, and there are some that are unique to certain elements. Attributes are always placed in the start tag of the element. You never find an attribute in the closing tag of an element. And attributes often come in name value pairs. I placed an example right below to depict what I'm talking about. We have the name, which is source, and the value goes into these quotes. The quotes are essential when it comes to attributes. Now, this source attribute basically states where the image is from, or the source of the image. The second attribute is the alt, which is the alternative text for images. So the name is the alt, and the value is an example attribute in quotes. Now let's go into Visual Studio Code to get some practice. The first attribute I want to tackle in Visual Studio Code is the href for the link tag, or the a tag. Now I'm going to quickly place Google. The href attribute accepts the link to a website. I'm going to place Google and some text. Maybe Google. And now I'm going to go into the browser and then see what happens. Now we have our text right here. I'm going to zoom in a bit so it's more legible. Now when I click on this, it's going to redirect me to google.com. And that's how the href attribute works. The next attribute I want to talk about is the source for the image, and also the width and height. And the alternative text as well. Width, height. You can see that they all have they all have name value pairs. Now for the source, let's go get some random image. Okay. We have one right here. We can copy the image address and place it right within our code, and within the source attribute, and we can say a nice image. We're going to use the width and height attributes. They have units of pixels, so we just need a numerical value, 100 by 500. And it's going to structure the image as specified. I'm going to go back and reload the page. Now the link that we copied, it didn't work. So we have the alt attributes coming into play. We have our alternative text for the image. So I'm going to go to the next one, which is style. Now style is common to a lot of elements. Most elements use the style attribute. Paragraph could have a style, and within the style it also accepts CSS, so color red and a red text. Now going into the browser, we should see a red text Oh, now the image has appeared. It took a while for it to load, but it has appeared, and it's using the specifications and the width and height attributes that we created. Now we have our red text here as well, which was applied using the star attribute. One thing I also want to point out is the fact that all these tags have attributes: language, English, character set, UTF-8. All these are attributes with their values. I want to mention the fact that attributes should be written in lowercase and they must be in quotes. You can use single quotes for attributes, but double quotes are widely used. Single quotes are ideal for situations where the attribute's value itself has quotes within. So then you can place the attribute's value in single quotes so it doesn't conflict. So that's what we have for today on attributes. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and share. In the next video, we're going to talk about HTML classes.